Hello everyone, you are most welcome to my channel Tech for Advice. Today in this video I gonna to show you how to check your computer's system information. Firstly, type here system information. You will see this icon. Click this one. System summary. In this dialog box you will see all the information about your system like this: name of your computer system and BIOS, system SKU, system type, system model, system manufacturer and system name. And if you want to more information, scroll down. And if you want to specific system information, so type here. And second one, here you will find hardware resources. Click this plus icon. So you will find all the hardware. If you want to know about memory, so click this one. So you will find status like this. Memory status is the OK, and here is the resource and device and components. Click this plus icon. And if you want to more specific like multimedia, input, modern network, ports, storage and everything you will find in components. For example, if you want to information about network, so click this one and click on adapter. So you will see this one, adapter type, install, PNP device ID, etc. And last one, software environment. So click this plus icon. And software environment, system drivers, environment variables, print jobs. So by this simple method you can find all the information and you can check all information for your computer system. I hope you like this video and you know how to check system information for Windows 10 and 8. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe this channel.